Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm actually kind of happy that I have time now to film content because this has been sitting in my room since probably around holiday, and I wanted to film an unboxing and I just didn't have the time. So I'm so happy I'm finally getting to everything. So today's video is, like I mentioned, going to be an unboxing. I got this box full of a K-Beauty, of a brand that I've never heard of before and I've never reviewed before. I've never tried any of their products before. So I thought it'd be fun because it's like a really cute box of like a curated box of stuff, and we can kind of go through the different items and like talk about them. It will kind of be like a short and sweet video, and then obviously as I use the products and stuff, I'll hop back on and let you know if they make it to like a favorites video, which probably will be coming next. So anyway, this is the box. It's really big. It says now at Ulta, so congrats to this beauty brand because they made it to the big leagues. So I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing. Oh, okay. This is funny. So I thought the brand's name at first was Chalk Chalk because it says like on top Chalk Chalk, but I believe the brand name is OK, which is funny because I was like, okay, I figured it out. So like I mentioned, it is a K-Beauty brand. Move over a little here so you guys can see. So in this box, there's 5 products. There's 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and then it looks like 1 in the middle. So I guess this is talking about Chalk Chalk. It says, dewy, bouncy, fresh, and flawless. This is hydrated plump skin for the ultimate no makeup look. And then on the back, they have some of the products that I'm guessing are in this box. You have cleansing clay beads, it looks like an illuminating serum, a glowing moisturizer, buffing pads, and then a cleansing balm stick, which I've never used before, so I'm actually really excited about that. And then you have like are these stickers? I think they are, but like where would you put this? So there's a huge sticker. Lipstick. I don't know if my camera's crooked or this is crooked. Okay, does that look straighter? Okay, and then you have like a bunch of just regular stickers. They say super cute things. Love me some stickers to decorate a notebook. So I'm really happy to see that they've included some stickers. Okay, so what I'm gonna take out first here is the thing that's in the middle. So I'll get you guys close so you can see. So these are the first guys. These are multitasking buffing pads with ruby, citrine, and quartz. So it says there's citrine energy, ruby empower, and quartz balance. And these are pads, buffing pads. So I'm guessing they're like exfoliating pads. So let's see what these look like real quick. Cute. So these are what they look like. I guess there's 12 of them. So you wash your face and then you do the buffing pad. Is there instructions on here? You like wash your face, buff, do the pad on one side, then the exfoliating part on the other side, and then you rinse. So let's see actually what they smell like. They smell, yeah, they just smell fresh, a little alcoholish. I don't know what this stuff is. I imagine it's probably part of the, ooh, yeah, look. So you do it on that side first. And I don't know, there's a bunch of like a weird, I don't know if you guys can see that texture. But, so you do one side and then you use the other side, which is the exfoliating part, and then you rinse again. But, yeah, they smell pretty fresh. I don't really like the weird stuff on it, but I don't know, maybe that's part of the solution. Okay, so you have the buffing pads here. to reveal a brighter, dewy complexion. I gotta be honest, it's very sticky on my hands. Oh, I don't like that feeling at all. Next we have the, let's do the cleansing balm stick. So a next item is this cleansing balm stick with essential oils. So it goes from like an oil to a foam. The packaging is really cute. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I love the smell of this. It just smells like almost like detergent. Okay, so I'm imagining go like this and then put it all over the skin and then rinse. So these are really nice for traveling, I think. Very nice. Okay, so we have those. It says a solid double cleanser in one product. So this will remove your makeup and cleanse the skin. Okay, next up we have, these are really intriguing to me. These are the OK Chalk Cleansing Clay Beads. So let's see what these look like. Super cool. It almost looks like little gumballs. Like, I kind of want to eat it. Let's see what these smell like. I can't even describe what this smells like. It almost smells like something I want to eat. Like malted milk balls or something. Like it's definitely got, yeah, it smells like malted milk balls, no joke. I kind of want to eat this. All right, so what is this? This is to help create a glowing, radiant complexion. It says cleansing clay beads with natural minerals, but you guys, I don't really know how these work. I guess instead of using the cleansing balm, you can just use one bead and use water. It doesn't say on here how you use this, but it looks like little gumballs. I'm very intrigued, and it smells really good. So they also have the OK Chalk Illuminating Serum. Again, packaging super cute. So here is this lovely milky looking serum with vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid. Does not smell like anything, and it is clear. This helps you achieve a chalk finish. I don't even know what that means, but so that is the serum, and it says that none of these are tested on animals, which I love. And last but not least, you have the OK Glowing Moisturizer. This is with citrine. Ooh, pretty pink bottle. Again, all of their products are just very lightly scented, but I could just tell from like, can you guys see this whipped texture? Like, it just really looks thick. So I'm guessing this might be like probably a night cream for me. I just don't like moisturizers that are like really thick for daytime. Oh, actually, now that I put it on my hands though, it feels really lightweight. It just looked super whipped, and so it was looking like a thicker consistency, but oh yeah, very fresh. So that is it, you guys. All it says for the glowing moisturizer, supercharge your glow with the perfect finishing touch. Again, all of these products, if you guys are interested in trying any of them, are at Ulta. I'm sure they have a website as well. Again, the brand is OK. It is a Korean brand, and just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you because I thought the packaging and everything was like really cute. But I will definitely get into these products. I will test them out for you guys, and any of my favorites will make it into an upcoming favorites video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing. Love you guys, and see you guys all in my next video.